Season 3! Chewing gum! Oh, this is bad! I'm stuck on chewing gum! Spitting chewing gum anywhere is very bad behavior that lacks social morality. Kids, don't do it! I have to think up an idea. Super Cyclone Jump! Oh, I'm really something! I'm really stuck this time. Bubba!
Huh?
Bubba, you gotta help me!
Why are you so careless? Watch carefully while you're going.
Bubba, can you do anything?
Never doubt my IQ. Of course I can.
Really? Really?
Follow me. Must pay attention. Touching the chewing gum with something hot. Well, I'll tell you in the kitchen. I remember it was here.
Melting the chewing gum with something hot. Whoa, Bubba, you're so smart! Something hot!
We don't have any vinegar. I didn't finish my words just now. Touching the chewing gum with something hot is absolutely not allowed. Otherwise, Marcio, what are you doing? The chewing gum will become really sticky if it's heated.
Bubba, would you please talk things through next time?
You're so unlucky. If we had some vinegar, I could use it to wipe off the chewing gum.
Before talking about that, Bubba, can you move me away? I'm melting.
Huh?
Oh!
Step on the tissue repeatedly. The chewing gum will stick to it.
Okay. Yeah. Oh! I'm sure I can stick on that tissue. Oh! Yo!
Hot method doesn't work. Let's try the cold one.
Thank you, Bubba. You're my true friend.
Wait until the chewing gum becomes a solid in the refrigerator. Then you can take it right off.
Bubba, you're so awesome.
Of course. Who do you think I am?
Bounce a takeaway.
I'll be right there. Stay alone for a while. Don't fall asleep. Just wait till the chewing gum becomes solid. I should get busy.
Absolutely. I will not fall asleep.
Huh? Where is he? Marcio, I told you not to fall asleep.
Bubba, what should I do? Bubba!
Wait for a minute. I'll smash the ice.
Smash the ice? I have an idea. Super shaking!
Marcio!
I'm almost there. Let me speed up. Did he go out? I want to tell him about the good news.
So thirsty. Soda water. Why does it smell stinky?